What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another Nike outlet find. This is a pair of Nike Air Max 1 Premiums. It's a very interesting colorway, as you can see from the thumbnail. Let's check them out. I got them for 100 Canadian, take away 25%. I think that was 75 Canadian, which is like 61 US dollars or something like that. This is a great shoe. It's an Air Max 1, very conventional silhouette. Very interesting colorway. Very neutral colorway. Gonna throw them on foot here, so you can let me know what you think of them. If you like the shoes, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link to buy them. I'm sure you can find a pretty good deal on StockX. These are pretty nice. As you can see the sole here, it's a lot of neutral colors. Reminds me a lot of like Brunello Cucinelli. That brand. Let's throw them on foot here and we can see how they look. They come with an extra pair of laces, as you can see. I mean, I don't think I'd rock the orange laces. I really like the clean silhouette with these laces on. Anyway, let's see how they look on foot. So on foot, as I presume, they're pretty nice. It's a pretty clean silhouette. They look pretty nice with these nudie jeans too. If you're interested in those, check out the Amazon affiliate link in the description. I mean, these are Air Max 1s. They're very similar to Air Max 90s. There's a few differences. I think the Nike logo is a little shorter. The air unit is a little bit less pronounced. They look pretty great on foot. They're quite comfortable, like all Air Max 1s. Again, let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. It's always nice to hear your opinion on sneakers. I happen to think this is a great colorway of a clean silhouette Nike sneaker. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the links in the description. Goodbye.